Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing good. Now, what we have here is an addition to my collection, and we'll open it up and see what it is. Trade me. Sleeve up. Wow, nicely wrapped. Sure, it's worth it. You can see it now. Very good. Okay, wow. These are commemorative coins. Nice one. Let's see. Oh, yep. So what's this one? This one is Queen Elizabeth. It's a bailiwick of Jersey, 5 shillings. It's a commemorative coin. I think it depicts the bow of the 900th anniversary of Battle of Hastings. Now this one. Wow, okay. This is from Gibraltar. It's my first commemorative coin from Gibraltar, 1981. And it depicts the royal wedding of Prince Charles and Diana, and Lady Diana, 1 crown. Nice coin. It's this one. This one is 1952, 1977, Queen Elizabeth II. Another bailiwick of Jersey, 25 pence. Don't know what it is, but yeah, I'll do a little research on that one. And this one is Elizabeth and Philip, 1947 to 87. Probably a commemorative coin for the anniversary of Prince Philip and Queen Elizabeth's wedding. It's 50 pence from Tristan da Cunha. Wow, lovely coin. Yep. This one is yes, another bailiwick of Jersey. Lovely coins. An addition. Thank you very much. I hope you liked the video, and please do like and subscribe my channel. Yep, thank you very much and have a good day.